Hello friends, good morning. This is Dr. Punit Kumar, Dwivedi, Professor and Group Director, Modern Group of Institutions, Incubation and Startup Expert, Chief Advisor and Mentor, Modern Incubator supported by MSME Government of India, former CEO, Atal Incubation Center, PIF Indore. Today I am here with another topic, that is prototyping. We are going to discuss how this prototyping is going to help a startup. Do you need a prototype for your startup idea? Yes, clearly yes. You are you have to have one prototype, you have to design your prototype for your startup. And this is very important thing that you will come to know that whether your product is going to be accepted by the audience, by the customers or not. So what we are going to listen, what we are going to see in this topic. So what exactly is a prototype? So first we'll discuss what is the prototype. Your prototype is basically your trial batch of cookies. It is your trial batch of cookies. So it's your base product that you improve through several times. It is also a reference against which you can measure improvements of your product as your product development process is going on and is in progress. So your prototype is basically your trial batch of cookies. So one very important thing, what are the different types of prototype that one must know? You are in the startup ecosystem, you are working for the local or maybe global or maybe national startup ecosystem. So you must know what are the different types of prototyping. So first one is the feasibility prototypes. And in this, a feasible prototype is essence the minimal code of development team must create to understand whether you need to proceed with your idea or not. Because you are designing some prototype and suppose it is one product, some packaging you are doing, or it is there in the packaging and you are just watching it, whether the public, whether the clients, whether the customers will accept it or not. It is as per their need or as per their test or not, that you have to think at the very initial level you are developing it. So in the feasibility prototypes we have low fidelity user prototypes. These prototypes are just basic wireframings that you can use to convey your startup idea to the end users. Second one is the high fidelity user prototypes. High fidelity user prototypes are most advanced and interactive in nature and can be used to communicate your idea clearly, very clearly to the stakeholders, to all the stakeholders. So why is prototyping important for startup ideas? Friends, it helps you to put your idea to the test. It helps you to put your idea to the test. Do you have all the ingredients you need for your new cookies recipe? Will the different flavors you have in mind complement each other? Will your cookies come out well baked or explode in the oven? Having a half-baked recipe is not enough. Add the new cookies to your menu. The same goes for your startup idea. So friends, this is very important. It is a test to your idea. So we are discussing how these prototypes are working and why they are important, what is the use of prototype. So we will discuss in detail in next lecture. So keep in mind, there are prototypes are needed to test your idea. There are basically feasibility prototypes, low fidelity user prototypes, high fidelity user prototypes, live data prototypes. What is live data prototype? Such prototypes are the closest you can get to your actual product. They are very closest to your actual product. They use real data and real traffic to stimulate immersive your experiences. So they are almost your ready product. So you can also build hybrid prototypes which combine the features that are best suited for your needs for your startup needs. So this is very, very important. So prototypes are important to the startups. Catch you soon with some other topic like this prototyping. So we have discussed today why prototype is important, what are the different types of prototype, why prototype is useful for your startup. Thank you all. Keep in touch. Stay connected with me. Catch you later with some new video, small video, informative video. This is Dr. Punit Kumar Dwivedi with you in Innovative Talks. Thank you.